We had made the point that if the losses are 13,000 and below, we should not have load shedding. And I must say that we are doing substantially better than that. Substantially better than that because we are beginning to see that the system is stable, is resilient, is becoming more and more reliable as we move forward.
UNgqongqoshe uRamokgopa uchaze njengempumelelo ukusimama kokuhlinzeka ngogesi, ukwehliswa kokusetshenziswa kukadizili nokuncipha kokucima kukagesi. Uthi ukubuyela esimeni kweziphehlimandla iKusile Unit 6 neMedupi Unit 4 kube ezinye zezizathu zokuthi lungabibikho uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi kulesikhathi sasebusika.
In that new category of performance now is Kusile, and thanks to the leadership of Kusile is here. He was able to retain unit number 1, 2, and 3. We have kept to the promise we have given to the country and the Minister of Environment. Now Kusile is out of that list of units that were in ICU, it is performing.
I-Eskom ithi nakuba zikhona izinselele ekuphehlweni kwamandla kagesi, kepha iyaqhubeka nezinhlelo zokuqinisekisa ukuthi aliphazamiseki uhlelo lwamandla kagesi.
We did experience some setbacks in terms of outage slippages. We went back to the drawing board to look at what we need to do on our side, both from a planning and also people and project execution perspective to ensure that we have the units back.
uRamokgopa uthi ithimba longqongqoshe liphezu komsebenzi wokwenza ukuthi ugesi ungambe eqolo.